Escape to your own 7.7 acre retreat here at Running Deer Ranch at Lake Nacimiento. Imagine enjoying relaxation and adventure surrounded by beauty and just minutes to the water.
This stunning, nearly 2,400 square foot home is the perfect blend of comfort and style. It's just a beautiful combination for relaxation and entertainment.
Step inside and be greeted by an open concept floor plan flooded with natural light, where every detail has been carefully crafted. Enjoy cooking in this recently renovated kitchen, featuring granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and sleek stainless steel appliances. Perfect for creating your next gourmet meal.
Host dinner parties or enjoy quiet meals with the stunning views through the French doors where nature becomes part of the ambiance. Unwind by this striking wood-burning fireplace or step through the glass doors onto the expansive deck and take in the tranquil views of the cove, the perfect spot to soak in the serenity.
This original cabin was built from pre-World War II era logs and now has been transformed into your stylish space that blends historic charm with modern comforts. The primary treat awaits on the lower level, featuring a spacious walk-in closet and luxurious ensuite bathroom with custom tilework and a glass-enclosed shower.
Upstairs, 2 additional bedrooms and a bonus room offer plenty of space, with sweeping views of the mountains, forests, and the sparkling waters of Lake Nacimiento just beyond. Relax outdoors on your newly constructed deck or paver patio, surrounded by oak trees and the peaceful sounds of nature.
The acreage offers room to grow with a seasonal creek, oaks, and plenty of space to expand or just enjoy the tranquility. And what about the drive here? You are about 40 minutes from town, but it's a scenic journey through rolling hills and vineyards of Paso Robles wine country. And you're also just a couple minutes from the Point Day Use area for Running Deer Ranch, where you can start your recreational lake adventures. And you've got covered parking right here on the property for both your RV and your boat, as well as 2 sheds and a carport.
Don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind property. Call us right away for your private tour. Your lakefront property awaits.